Well, welcome to the Department of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness. My name is Nathan Kemper. I'm the undergraduate program coordinator for the department. I'm also an associate professor. And I've got our Bumpers College ambassador, Caleb Swears, with me here today. And we're going to talk to you just a little bit briefly about the Department of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness. I think there's a few things that really make our department unique and stand out amongst other programs. I think the first thing that comes to my mind is the breadth of different areas of study that are available to students. We've got students from a range of different backgrounds. We've got students that come from more traditional agricultural backgrounds that might focus on management, price risk analysis, and finance, and take those skills back to running that family farm operation. And we've got pre-law students that might look at ag law as a future career path, and we've also got students that might focus on commodities, merchandising and marketing, and or marketing management, and go to work for one of the Fortune 500 corporations that are in our neck of the woods. So the second thing about our department, I think, that really makes it unique is the level of contact that students can expect to have with our faculty. All of our courses are faculty instructed, and we've got what we would call an open door policy in our department, where if there's really an ability to connect one-on-one with faculty, which is, I think, a real luxury and what makes our department quite unique. From the top down on our department, we've got a fantastic department head. We've got great administrative staff. And I love that level of support that we have for students in the department. So I'm going to toss it over to Caleb now to tell you a little bit more from the student perspective.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Caleb Swears. I'm a Bumpers ambassador for the Department of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness. My current major is agricultural business with a concentration in pre-law. I'm one of those students who hopes to go on to law school. One of the biggest questions I get is, why would I encourage students to come to the department? I'd have to say just the environment. Professors are always willing to help you. They want to get to interact with you and know you just as much as you want to get to know them. Just as Dr. Kemper talked about, every professor has an open door policy. So it doesn't matter whether you're struggling in a class or you just want to come by and say hi. Every professor loves to see every student that they have in their classes. Something I would advise new students to do would be to get involved in every opportunity you can, whether it's the Agricultural Business Club on campus, Collegiate Farm Bureau. There are so many different clubs throughout Bumpers College. Reach out to your professors if you struggle. Your professors are there to help you.
I think that's a really good point that Caleb made. Reach out to those professors. We're here to help. And welcome to campus, and we wish you the best of luck.